Hi, I'm Ali from Mechanical Engineering. I have placed in TJ India Private Limited, a leading textile manufacturer in India, and it gives knitted fabrics. And towards going to TJ, Vignan gave a good platform to achieve this feat, and I have been placed with the 3.5 LPA. And Vignan has been a perennial source for me, both personally and academically, which ensured me take the step and move forward and never bother about the leaps and bounds in my career. And Vignan supported me through various activities like making presentations and participating in the events, and which I have awarded for best technical paper presentation in one of the events in Vignan, and that leads to my boost in my confidence, and that gives me a good opportunity to excel well in the interviews and other GD programs for the interview rounds. And Vignan also offered technical courses like AEP, Authorized Engineering Practitioners, in there where I have been gone through few projects which are very exciting and interesting, which gives industrial exposure and added valued experiences. Through that, I am a certified AEP graduate. From that I can go to a good industry where I can go, and it gave me a wide range of opportunities which I picked one of the best. Thank you.